Hello, friends. 79-cent Glade Airwick kit. Oh my gosh, at Walgreens. So we're going to talk about this deal and how fantastic it is. And if you can line it up, I certainly would do it, especially if you like this spray and the automatic sprayer. I mean, it's just the kit. It's fantastic and it's a huge amount of savings. So the first thing on the Walgreens app, it's $5.79. Original price $15.99. So right there, some tremendous savings. I think like 75% off on this. And a lot of stores near me have it in stock, and it's basically the sprayer and one of those sprays in this kit. So that's why it's almost $16. If you head over to IBOTTA, there is a $5 back with a limit of one time. So you'll pay 79 cents. Here's the thing. This is the price curbside. So if you wanted to put a curbside deal in, use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay the rest, drive to the store, pick it up, get a receipt, ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. Alternatively, you could try to do it in store and ask for maybe a price match. They may do it where they price match their online to in store if it's not the same price. I certainly wasn't looking at the air care in this store, but you never know. It might ring up $5.79 in store, but if it doesn't, probably curbside's the way to do it. If you can't get a physical receipt from your store, obviously you can't do this deal, but you need the receipt for IBOTTA to photograph it for that app. Now, the replacement cans where I live are $5.79 curbside. I don't know what the price is in store. This is one item I wasn't looking at this week in store. There's a whole bunch of different scents too, and basically these fit into that machine that you're buying in the first transaction. So if you like to have these, a lot of people like them in their basement. I know that my in-laws do. There's another IBOTTA rebate for these that is $1.50 back with a limit of up to 5. So if it's a lot cheaper than that and you can get them for next to nothing, I definitely would stock up. So it would be $4.29 after everything is said and done, and it's on the large automatic spray refills at any size. So I think these would qualify, just following the breadcrumbs here. But I know a lot of you gift air care for the holidays, or you want to stock up on this stuff. I don't know if they're just clearing it out of Walgreens and it's an item that won't be sold anymore, or S.E. Johnson is possibly changing the package. I would move on this very quickly, double, triple check that you have the IBOTTA rebate. And these are the prices curbside for me. In store, it may be different. If you wanted to try looking at it in store, maybe see what they have. And if it's full price in store, maybe put a curbside order in right there and there. But you need the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get a physical receipt for IBOTTA. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. Link in the notes. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, I believe you get a bonus of $5 with my referral code. Before I take off into the big sunset tonight at 10 o'clock on the Bath and Body Works app, you can start placing in your orders for Candle Day. It's only 10 till midnight, and then I think after that, the next day, 5 or 6 a.m., if you're one of those early morning shoppers, you can go in store and get your candles for $9.95. I believe in store you can use the coupon, because if you look at the coupons, either the probably the home mailer. The home mailer says it excludes Candle Day for online only, but it doesn't exclude it for in-store. You can try and scan it. I know that a couple weeks ago when they had that bag for $20 with like 4 really expensive items, I used it, I think a 10 off of 35, and it scanned perfectly. And nothing rang up with a coupon code in store. Everything just rang up properly. If you think about it, a lot of people don't even have the Bath and Body Works app, so they just go to the cash register. Everything rings up $9.95. Typically, that's been the past thing that I've noticed. But you never know. Every year it's different, and they're certainly trying to save every dollar and cents. But if you put an online order in, just to give you the short of the long, you'll have to put in a code to get the candles at $9.95. They'll be like $26.27, and once you punch in the code, they ring up a different cost. But in store, it's a different story. So that's why I think the coupon will work. A lot of people are really confused by that, but the verbiage is super confusing. I just think in the past, people clogged customer service at Bath and Body Works with a bunch of questions on how coupons work, etc. If you want to watch the update video, I have it linked right here. I know a lot of us are really excited, and all the new scents are listed in this video. That's it for this one, guys. Go and get your Glade and go and get your Bath & Body Works later this weekend. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.